I've realized from the last night's update, if I move any of the states in the editor, we get an error message. I don't know the inner workings of Unity, but I'm guessing when you move these states in the editor, they get reinstantiated. So in order to fix this, I'm gonna go into the character state, and whenever we enter a state, we want to make sure the character control is not null. So if it is null, then we need to just call the function again. First we have to find it. We'll find it in the root at the top of the hierarchy for every character. And once we find it, we call cache character control. This is going to happen only once, because once you have a new state and call this function, every state is going to have the public variable character control. And let me press Ctrl T and go into character control. And because we've just added those few lines, we don't have to call cache character control anywhere else. It's pretty much done automatically once character control is null. So get rid of those lines. Make sure you save everything. And now the only time we call cache character control is when in the beginning character control is null. So if I go back and play, I'm guessing everything should be exactly the same. So the AI and the dummy are working fine. Now let me go into the animator again and try moving one of the states. You'll see that in the character control here, the variable, if I move it, temporarily it becomes null as we have a new state. But as soon as we enter a new state, the character control is no longer null. And things are working fine. So that was pretty quick. Thanks for watching.